You can now connect your eBay account to Constant Contact. We'll make segmented lists of your customers' contact information so you can use that data to target them for new product sales and promos. In this short video, we'll show you how it's done. To get started, click the Integrations tab. From there, find the eBay block and then click Connect. Now, you do need permission to email your eBay customers. That being said, select how you'll get permission from your contacts. Either select the option to set up a customer opt-in email or confirm that you have prior consent. For this video, let's set up a customer opt-in email. You can preview your email to see what it looks like, or click Edit to make any changes. Click Activate Email to turn your customer opt-in email on. Then click Continue to eBay. And then enter your username and password. Once you enter your username and password, agree to grant access, and that's it. Your eBay account is now connected to Constant Contact and your customer information is being imported. From the Integrations tab, you can view all of your lists and import activity. And that's how easy it is to connect your eBay account to Constant Contact.